Hello everyone, I'm Mark from Cooper Grip. Today I'm going to introduce you one revolutionary clamp, the 4-way clamp and the 3-way clamp. Anyway, we call it multi-way clamps. With this clamp, you can set up a lighting fixture just in a second. It's very different from traditional clamp. The traditional clamp is one clamp for one lighting fixtures. However, if you use this clamp, you can set up a lighting fixture, even 2 or 3 lighting fixtures at the same time. There are several features of this clamp. Let me introduce you one by one. Okay. First, we have 2 sides of this clamp. The bigger one, we call it 4-way clamp, because there are 4 sinks of this clamp. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See? And this clamp is for tube diameter from 35 mm to 50 mm. And the smaller one, we call it 3-way clamp, because there are 3 sinks of this clamp. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And we have a special design for the sink. There is a milling sink. See? The milling sink. The milling sink is for safety usage. Even you just lose the adapter a little bit, like this, you don't have to worry about the problem of falling down. So the milling sink is for safety. And we have 3 adapters, 2 male adapters and 1 female adapters. And these 3 adapters is all industrial standard 60 mm. Okay? And this is aluminum die casting, so the body is very strong, lightweight, and compact. And next, there is a PU grip pad, and the grip pad offers an excellent grip and surface protection. And now, let me teach you how to set up a lighting fixture with this clamp. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to use this clamp to set up a lighting fixture. This tube diameter is 45 mm. So now I'm going to use the bigger one, the 4-way clamp, to set up a lighting fixture. First, open the clamp, then clip on the tube. And second, attach the adapter into the sink. And at last, put on the lighting fixture. It's done. It's very easy, right? As I mentioned before, you can set up 1 or 2, even 3 lighting fixtures on the clamp at the same time. So now, I'm going to set up the second lighting fixture on this clamp. The same, attach the adapter on the clamp. Then put down a lighting fixture. It's done. It's a magic, right? If you want to know more about Cooper products, please refer to our website www.grip.com.tw. See you next time.